Hello everyone! Good afternoon! Happy Thursday! How's everyone doing? I hope you are all doing well and safe and you had a wonderful Christmas celebration with your family and friends. By the way, Thursday here it's St. Stephen's Day and it's also a Boxing Day in Ireland, meaning people during this day, a day after Christmas, it's an opening of presents. That's why it's Boxing Day, meaning they are opening their presents today. But here we decided to go out and have some nice walk on Phoenix Park, and we saw loads of people here with their family because it is a lovely day here. It's cold and it's also foggy, as you can see in the background. Yeah, so I'm here in the Papal Cross. This park is a very huge park. It's the largest park around Europe. So it's a very good park to do some of your activities like exercise, walking, and cycling, whatever you decide to do. Or sometimes there's football, there's cycling, and there's also a picnic area. So I'll just show you the view from this Papal Cross. I'm on the top. Here, there you go. So yeah, and there are also some people here on the top, and there is a stair going up here, as you can see, and there are plenty of trees here. It's a park, that's why. That's my husband jogging, and as you can see, it's a huge park, so loads of people are walking around the park. There you go. It's a foggy day today, guys. And on the other side, look, so that is a car park from there, and some up there, down there, and there are people who is playing football, or they're just walking their dog.
Wait, Dad! Dad, should I roll it down?
No!
It's wringing wet. It's wringing wet.
Okay, go.
So guys, I just decided to hop in very quick just to say hi to everyone, and for all those my new followers, thank you for your support. And for those who are new to my page, I'm Roselle. I'm a person behind this page. I'm just walking down, guys. Walking down the hill. So for all those who are watching me right now, thank you for watching, and kindly comment below where you are watching me from. And for those who are going to watch the replay, thank you as well. So this is a page, a business page, where I am a business owner and a mentor, helping people earn online, doing an global online business, guys. So if you are interested, guys, later we have a complimentary live webinar, and if you don't have any time, you can watch the replay on my website www.rosellampilocchio.com, so you'll know more information about this business. See you again, guys, and thanks for watching. God bless. Bye.